Hi everybody, my name is Ernesto Luna. I'm the Food and Beverage Manager here at the club at PGOS Private. I know most of you are missing having a cocktail by the pool at Peaks, but I'm here to bring a cocktail that you can make fresh out of your own home. So this is the Peaks Cooler. So first what we're going to do is we're going to start off with some fresh cucumber, and we're going to muddle the cucumber. Muddling is just a fancy term for smashing. So and the best way to do that is you're going to smash it, but you want to do it when you're upset because you can really get all the flavors out of the cucumber. So you're going to pulverize this until you get a nice pulp. I'm not that angry today, so it's not going to be as good as I want it to be. But you've got fresh cucumber here. You're going to start off with some fresh lime juice. You're going to do 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. As you're building your cocktails, you definitely want to start off with the less costed items. That way, if you do mess up, you're not throwing away anything that's good, like the vodka or the Saint Germain. Next, we're going to go with the agave nectar. Agave nectar brings some sweetness to the cocktail. You're going to do 1/2 ounce of the agave nectar. You don't want to make it too sweet because you're going to go to the elderflower liqueur later. So next what we're going to do is the Tito's vodka. You can use any vodka if you want to incorporate it, throw any different flavors. You can throw any infused flavor vodka you can. But the Tito's vodka is our go-to for this cocktail. So you're going to do 1.5 ounces of Tito's vodka. Okay. Then we're going to finish it off with a little Grand Marnier. Saint Germain elderflower liqueur. Okay. So elderflower liqueur is just a cordial base out of elderflower. It's very sweet, and you're going to do about 1/2 ounce of that. You can actually enjoy this on the rocks, which is one of my favorites to do after any dinner. It's delicious. All right. So once we have all the ingredients in the glass, you're going to add your ice, and you're going to shake. Definitely want to give it about a good 10 seconds of hard shaking. Okay. Out of there. So as you roll the cocktail, you definitely want to strain out the cucumber pulp. Okay? So you're going to double strain it. I have a double strainer here. So what we're going to do is we're going to strain the cocktail. Make sure we don't get any cucumber bits inside the cocktail. Throw in some ice, and then to finish this off, I have some cucumber garnish, and then a final garnish to the cocktail is a little bit of kosher salt, just to make all the flavors pop. So here you have it. This is a Peaks Cooler. Cheers, everybody.